Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is your boy Ray Mack, and I'm coming at you live and direct. We ain't doing no cooking today, y'all. Today we're gonna do us a little review, and I already been into this here, y'all, this bag, and I'm telling you something right now. I just want to know, y'all, how many of y'all really go and buy these Chester Cheeto corn puffs? You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna tell you something. These Chester Cheeto corn puffs are only $2, man. $2. And when I bought these things, man, I said I'm gonna give it a try because I like those hot fries that, you know what I'm saying, that they sell in this type of brand, and they pretty daggone good. Now, this right here, y'all look, don't slip on this stuff, man. Yeah, it costs $2, all right. Is it worth it? You damn, oh, excuse me, got children on here. You Skippy is worth it. So, how many of you guys really go out and buy these here Chester Cheeto puffs, right? And I seen a video where somebody took some of the hot fries and they crumbled them up and they put it on some corn on the cob or whatever like that. And it was this youngster that was on the video, a young boy. He started the corn on the cob, hot Cheetos, Crave, and everybody else started doing it or whatever like that, and I seen people do it. So one person that I've seen on their video where they took those hot fries and crumbled them up and put it on their corn, I commented on it and I said I want to try that recipe just to see how it tastes. But I'm gonna try that recipe. So when I went to go look for some of them Chester Cheeto fries, I seen these in the store. The Chester Cheeto fries cost $2 and these cost $2. So I ended up buying a bag of these. I'm gonna tell you something. They're pretty daggone good. Y'all need to try these, man. Seriously. So how many of you would go out and spend $2 for some of these? I would. I would. This is your boy, Ray Mack. And I'm a Chester Cheeto fan. I'm gonna start doing some of these here reviews on these here little snacks like this and add this to my YouTube channel. Sitting on my couch doing snack reviews, and I'm still doing my juicing. Now, if there's something else you want to see later on this here channel, as far as cooking recipe goes, reviews goes, leave a comment down in the comment section. For those of you who are not subscribed to my channel and you're just watching this here video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you'll be notified of up and coming videos. I want to welcome each and every one of you into the Ray Mack family. Trust and believe me, once you become a part of this here family, you'll be feasting on stuff like this here. Man, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. These cheese flavored PUFFCORNs are good as a mug. I'm gonna add this. This is gonna be my new snack right here, y'all. Beach trips, give me a bag. Fishing trips, give me a bag. Lazy at home, don't want to do nothing, give me a bag. At work, snack on lunch, give me a bag. I'm gonna just get me a bag just for the hell of it. It's pretty good. All right. Excuse me for licking my fingers, but it was well worth it. For those of y'all, let me know in the comment section below if you ever tried these here Chester corn puffs with PUFFCORN cheese flavored. They're only $2, y'all. Now I'm gonna say, peace. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace, y'all. Love you.